everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to fix a handle. How to fit the handle onto the hollow door that keeps coming off. So that's the interior panel door or molded door, as you want, as many in the UK. They are very lightweight, they are almost empty inside. There's some pieces of wood all around the edge, some across this door, and the rest is just about 4mm MDF covered the door. This handle was originally here, but someone didn't use the proper screws to fix it onto this door, and it was keep coming off all the time after a few weeks of use. So you see, when I took off the handle, that's what I saw. A lot of screw holes, some really big, and there was all sorts of screws in this handle. I can show you a few of them. There was a drywall screw, there was this thick screw as well. Only this one is for the door, but obviously not for the hollow door. So I'm gonna show you what fixing you need to use, so this problem will never happen again. And you see, some of the holes are so big that this is 5mm drill bit. I can push it through on the other side without even drilling. So for this kind of handle and this door that I saw damaged, there's only one solution. As you see, this is a screw with a thread and with a sleeve at the end. I've bought this pack on the internet. There was 4 screws in it, but you can buy as many as you want. They're not cheap. This was about £4 for 4 screws only. So this is a M3 screw, and as you see, it's got spaces in a thread. So that's the places when if you want to cut it to the desired length, because obviously some doors are thicker, some thinner, so you might need to cut it. And it's very easy to cut. After you measure the thickness of the door, obviously including the handle cases on both sizes, so in this case it's about 50mm. So now you need a good sharp pliers. You see, this is the cutting edge here. You need to measure the 5cm on the screw or whatever thickness of door you've got. So as you see, I need to cut it in this space. So this would be like 4.6 centimeters, but still okay, as this sleeve is quite long. Try to cut it in the middle of the space, not on the thread. And that's it. Check if the sleeve is fitting correctly. So now we can do the rest of the screws the same length. And we're ready to fit the handle. So now we need to make holes all across to this door. If you've got new door, you need to mark with the pencil or some sharp object inside these holes, so you know where to drill. I'm gonna drill the same holes that I've got already. So this is basically drilled already. See, there's nothing in this door. They are absolutely empty. So this handle is fixed to the door, so there's no way that it will come off again. I want to show you one more tip when you tighten it on both sides. So when you pull the handle, it stays in this position, or like this, but it should come up to here. There is nothing wrong with the handle. I'm gonna show you how to fix it, and it's better to do it before you install the handle. And the reason for this is, you see, on the other side of the handle there's a mechanism that moves up and down, and this hole should be a bit bigger than this bit inside the handle, because when you tie the handle on both sides, so this mechanism is pressed against the door and that doesn't move properly. So just before installing the handle, make sure this hole is bigger than this bit inside. Cut a bigger hole and everything should work fine. To make the hole bigger, obviously on both sides of the door, I'm using a cone drill bit set. So obviously I need to remove the lock first, otherwise I drill through the lock. Or if you don't have any of this, you can use Stanley knife, a bit more work, but you just need to make it bigger and bigger, bit by bit. So now the handle is fixed, it doesn't move, there's no way to pull it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it useful. So if so, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.